What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Tech with Luke. My name's Luke, and that's Bentley back there. What we got today is a double mount from Acetaken. What it is it's one mount for your desk that goes over top and holds a 6-inch ring light, and another one that mounts to hold your phone. And so you can do desk product reviews, unboxing, things like that. That's why I bought it. And I'm gonna mount it today, see how it is. It's 40 bucks on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description below if you wanna check it out. And let's get into it. Got your ring light. One arm. 2 arms. You got your attachment. Take all that stuff out. Get it laid out. Get your mount for the desk. Attach it to your desk. What screws onto the desk underneath, and then place the stand inside of it. Phone holder. For the ring light. Alright. So I'm going to attach these to the desk. I'm not the one who did that. You did that. What you do is just unscrew this until it opens up enough. Hopefully you got a part of your desk that can fit this. Just screw that tight. You got another knob that actually holds in this part. What you do once you have that screwed in, just place that right inside of it. You can see it. Place that right inside. Make sure this other knob is loose enough to be able to get it in. Twist that tight, and then boom. Oh, turn it around. Boom. Got a fully functional arm. Alright, this is what we'll attach the ring light to. Officially not. There we go. Plugged in. She's got 3 settings. Warm, white, cool. Warm, white, cool. You can adjust it up and down. Adjust it all around. It's a great light for multiple reasons. Alright, now for the phone. Same thing. Space it near so they're able to move in line with each other. Make that tight on your desk. Unfold it. Phone part of it's already connected. So you stick this cylinder in right in here. Make sure it's unscrewed enough to get in. Drop the knob. Screw it back in. Boom. We're in business. Put your phone in there. Bring the light around with it. Got awesome setup. We'll put the camera do something like that. Phone over like this. Do an overhead shot on the desk. Unboxing, review, anything like that. So that's it. I think it's worth the money, the 40 bucks. I think if you tried to buy them standalone, you'd probably spend the same. This is a package of both. So I think it's worth it. The description. The link will be in the description below if you want to buy it. So thanks for watching another episode of Tech with Luke. Boom.